week's Superintendent Spotlight highlights the phenomenal Arab American Heritage Month assemblies held at our 3 middle schools. Students and staff at Buzz Aldrin, Renaissance, and Glenfield middle schools enjoyed an energetic and engaging Dabka dance troupe performance that brought culture, history, and movement to life. We extend our sincere thanks to the Farah Foundation for making this experience possible, both by bringing this talented troupe to our schools and by providing a meaningful educational component that deepens students' understanding of Arab American heritage. Our students were fully engaged from start to finish and even had the opportunity to learn some Dabka steps themselves. Arab American Heritage Month is a powerful reminder of the importance of learning about different cultures and celebrating the richness of our diverse community, because in Montclair Public Schools, diversity is truly our strength.